Having Wi-Fi issues on your Android TV? Here's how to fix it in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Check date and time. Go to Settings, select Date and Time, and set it to Automatic. Step 2. Reconnect your network. Open Settings, go to Network, and check your Wi-Fi connection. If it's disconnected, simply reconnect it. Step 3. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, select Forget Network, then re-enter your password and reconnect. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Go to IP settings and select Static. Enter primary DNS 8888 and secondary DNS 8844. Restart your TV and check your connection. Step 5. Restart router and TV. Unplug both your TV and router for 10 seconds. Plug them back in, turn them on, and reconnect your Wi-Fi. Still not working? Try clearing the cache or doing a factory reset as a last resort. Comment below which method worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes.